Alright scholars, this is a question from the Suneung examination or the CSAT. So before we touch this triangle, let's talk about the Suneung. In South Korea on the Suneung day, planes are literally grounded during the English listening test, so it's quiet. The stock market opens late since falls over the nation. It is the final boss of the examination. So if you think your midterms are stressful, Suneung is like playing the Dark Souls, but with a calculator and no extra lives. So today we are not just students, we are Suneung warriors. So let's write now. Let's come to the question first. As shown in the figure, AB is 4, AC is 5. And cos of angle BAC is 1 by n in the triangle ABC. Okay, and for a point D on AC and E on BC, it satisfies that angle BAC is angle BDA is equal to angle BED. Now find the length of D, and there are 5 options. Okay, so let's solve this together. Let me make some space for this. Just a second. Yes. Okay. Now look at this triangle ABC. We have AB equal to what? AB equal to 4, right? We have AC equal to 5. AC, that is 5. Okay, and the cosine of big boss angle BAC, that is 1 by 8. Okay, fine. Now whenever you have two sides and the hurt, that is the angle between them, you can find the third side. So let's find BC using the law of cosines. So we get BC square equal to AB square plus AC square, right, minus 2 into AB into AC into cos A. Okay, so BC square will be what? 4 square plus 5 square minus 2 into 4 into 5 into 1 by 8. Okay, so BC square is 16 plus 25 minus 5, that is 36. So BC we get root 36, that is 6, right? So we got BC. Okay, now BC is a perfect 6. It's clean, it's elegant, it's suspicious also. Now in Suneung, if the number is clean and you are on the right track, if you got root 37.2, you should probably start praying. So now the problem gives us a riddle. Angle BAC is angle BDA. Right? Now let's look at the triangles ABC and ADB. Wait a minute. Both angle ABC and ADB share the angle at A. Right? So, and the problem says angle BAC is equal to angle BDA. So if two triangles share two angles, they are siblings, the similar triangles. So let's set up the ratio first. So AB by AD will be AC by AB. So 4 by AD will be equal to 5 by 4. So 5 into AD equal to 16, or AD will be what? AD will be 16 by 5. Now if AD is 16 by 5 and the whole side AC is what? 5, then DC is just what? 5 minus 16 by 5, that is 9 by 5, and we are dissecting this triangle like a Thanksgiving turkey. Oh, okay. Now let's get serious. Now from the last step, we are told angle BD equal to angle BEC. Now let's look angle EDC and the big triangle ABC. Okay, both share angle C common, and angle CD, which is what? Which is 180 degree minus angle BD, right? Let's keep simpler now. Okay, now since angle BD equal to angle BAC and they share angle C, then then triangle EDC is similar to angle ABC, right? But what's the orientation? It's flipped, so the ratio of corresponding sides must be equal, right? So now we can say that DE by AB will be equal to DC by BC, right? And we know that AB is what? AB is 4 and BC is 6. So and we just found that DC is 9 by 5, right? And let's plug and play now. So DE by 4 will be 9 by 5 by 6. So DE will be what? 4 into 9 by 5 into 6, right? So DE will be 6 by 5. Okay. Now look at our option. Option number A is 6 by 5. So we did not just solve it, we ORed it. So option number A is our right answer for this particular question. Okay. Now in this Suneung geometry problems, always look for the nested similar triangles. They love hiding a small triangle inside a big one that shares an angle. It's like a Russian nesting doll of math pain. So now go forth. You have conquered a Suneung level 14. So you are basically ready to move to the Seoul and start a career in high stakes testing, or just enjoy your lunch. So if you have any question regarding this, you can ask me. Okay, so see you in the next session with a new question, with a new strategy, with a new concept. Till then guys, always keep learning and keep growing with Dr. Sourav's classes, and stay curious always. Bye bye.